Let's have a closer view of this product in detail. Here we're looking at the Corinthian Chime bells by Wind River. They're available in different colors, different lengths, as well as textures. For example, ruby splash and silver vein, and many others. We'll be showing off on how these resonate in the wind, explaining the tones depending on the size, discussing materials used, closer view, also tips and suggestions. This Corinthian wind paddle is made of aluminum alloy to catch the wind for a deep and soothing sound. Constructed of hand-tuned aluminum alloy tubes with high-density polymer strikers that create a clear, crisp note upon impact, which makes the chime truly sing. If there's no place to hang your Corinthian wind chime, here shown is the Jelly adjustable shepherd hook for wind chimes, birdhouses, hanging plants, and bird feeders. You can choose a larger chime to resonate the tunes of a church bell, or choose a smaller chime for a bird-like melody. In detail, the larger chimes give a deeper tone and smaller chimes have a lighter pitch tone. Here's a tip to place chimes in a location away from squirrels to prevent them from chewing the UV ray resistant braided nylon cords that hold the chime together. Note, the entire height is from the top of the hook to the bottom of the wind paddle.
If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.